No laptop. No desktop. No expensive software. Just a phone and 5 free AI tools. That's the entire setup. Here's something the internet keeps getting wrong. Every AI tools for creators video you've ever watched assumes one thing: that you have a computer. A powerful laptop, a fast desktop, Adobe Creative Cloud installed. But what if you don't? What if your phone is your only device and you still want to build a YouTube channel that actually grows? I've spent the last few months figuring out exactly how to do this. And what I found completely changed how I think about content creation. Because it turns out a phone isn't a limitation. It's actually an advantage. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that work 100% on your phone, no PC required, ever. And I'll show you how to chain them together into one complete workflow that takes you from blank page to finished YouTube video entirely from your phone. Tool number 1 is the one nobody is talking about. I'm saving that for last. Don't skip ahead. Starting at number 5, Canva. Now, before you say, "I already know Canva," I promise you don't know what it does in 2026. Because Canva is no longer just a design tool. It now has Magic Design AI. You describe what you want in plain English, and it generates a complete thumbnail layout instantly. It also has text-to-image built-in, generate completely custom visuals for your videos without leaving the app. And here's the part most people don't know: the mobile app is actually better than the desktop version for quick creation. Watch this. 45 seconds. Complete thumbnail. Free. That's Canva in 2026, and it fits entirely in your pocket. Number 4, and this one surprises everyone. Hugging Faceless. You've probably heard this is a developer tool. It's not anymore. Open Chrome on your phone. Go to huggingface.co/spaces. What you'll find is thousands of AI models built by researchers worldwide running directly in your browser. No download, no GPU, no computer required. For creators, the most important one right now is LTX Video Turbo. Text prompt in. Cinematic video clip out. Free. Every time. Generated. On a phone. In Chrome. For free. The secret: bookmark 5 or 6 different video models here. When one has a cue, switch to the next. You're never waiting idle. Number 3, CapCut. And I want to be honest with you here, because most videos about CapCut undersell it completely. This isn't just an editing app. In 2026, CapCut is an AI production studio that fits in your pocket. Auto captions, one tap. Your voiceover becomes perfectly timed subtitles. CapCut's eye background removal, no green screen needed. Auto beat sync, your clips automatically cut to music. And here's what most people don't know. CapCut's AutoCut feature now takes your raw clips and AI voiceover and assembles a first draft automatically. CapCut's AutoCut feature now takes your raw you dump your footage in clips and AI voiceover. Describe your video in a prompt. CapCut builds it on your phone in minutes. Free, number 211 Labs. And I need to say something real here. The voiceover you've been listening to in this video, that's 11 Labs. Not a real person. Free tier.
Friends show their love in times of trouble, not in
Could you tell? That's the point. 11 Labs gives you 10,000 free characters every single month. That's roughly 10 to 15 minutes of finished audio.
Surprised you most? If this video removed even
Enough for one
barrier
complete
for you,
YouTube video per month.
subscribe, because my
free.
next video is going to show you exactly how to get your first 1,000
And you access it
subscribers
entirely
using
through your
only
phone browser,
free AI
no
tools
app needed,
and only
no
your phone.
desktop required.
You really don't
Okay.
want to miss that one.
Tool number 1. The one I said nobody is talking about. Qwen, built by Alibaba. Genuinely open source. Completely free, no credit system, no hidden limits. And it works perfectly in your phone browser. Now I know what you're thinking. That's just another chat. It's not. Here's what makes Qwen different for phone-only creators specifically. You open one tab. And from that one tab, you get your script, your thumbnail concept, your video title, your description, your hashtags, and your next 10 video ideas. Everything a full content team does in one free tab on your phone. Let me show you exactly how I use it. Script, done. Titles, done. In under a minute. On my phone. That's why this is tool number 1. Not because it's the flashiest, but because without a great script, none of the other 4 tools matter. Here's how all 5 tools connect into one complete workflow entirely on your phone. Step 1, Qwen. Write your script. Get your title. Get your description. 15 to 20 minutes. Step 2, 11 Labs. Paste your script. Generate your voiceover. Download the audio file to your phone. 5 minutes. Step 3, Hugging Face. Generate 6 to 8 AI video clips matching your script sections. Download each one. 30 to 45 minutes runs in background. Step 4, CapCut. Import clips and voiceover. Sync them. Add auto captions. Add music. Export. 45 minutes. Step 5, Canva. Generate your thumbnail. Add text. Download. Upload to YouTube. 10 minutes. Total time, roughly 2 hours. Total cost, $0. Done. From your phone. So let me ask you something real. What's your excuse now? No laptop, not a problem. No budget, not a problem. No experience, not a problem. The only thing standing between you and your first YouTube video is opening these 5 apps. Tonight, not next week. tonight. Start with Qwen. Write one script. That's the only step that matters right now. And when you do, drop it in the comments. Tell me which tool surprised you most. If this video removed even one barrier for you, subscribe, because my next video is going to show you exactly how to get your first 1,000 subscribers using only free AI tools and only your phone. You really don't want to miss that one.